Charlotte is planning a virtual career fair next month at her college. She's looking for the right virtual career fair platform that is reliable, secure, and easy to use for students and recruiters. Charlotte wants this career fair to be a grand success and does not want any hiccups. Let's look at her checklist for the right virtual career fair solution. Easy to use, unlimited video calls, unlimited voice calls, chats, file sharing, enterprise-grade security, works on any device, online payments, emails and reminders, surveys, reports, no restrictions on duration of events. Charlotte knows that the collaboration tool is the most critical component in a virtual career fair platform, and she would like to use a world-class technology. Charlotte is happy to know about Cynaptx Virtual Career Fair solution, which is built using Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is the best communication and collaboration tool that offers enterprise-grade security and is easy to use. Students and recruiters are already familiar with Microsoft Teams. Charlotte is so excited! Cynaptx Virtual Career Fair platform is hosted on Microsoft Azure Cloud and uses Microsoft Power BI to generate reports. And guess what? Cynaptx Virtual Career Fair solution is listed on Microsoft AppSource. On Cynaptx Virtual Career Fair platform, there is no restriction on the number of fairs, number of group meetings, and one-on-one meetings. It's a no-restriction platform. On the day of the fair, all that students need is Microsoft Teams. They don't have to log in to any other application to participate in the fair. Students can participate in the fair using a laptop or a smartphone. The built-in survey tool will let Charlotte run surveys and analyze feedback. Charlotte has decided to use Cynaptx for their virtual career fair. You should check it out too! Talk to Cynaptx today to run your virtual career fair using Microsoft Teams.